friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Midnapore, a charming neighborhood located in the southeast area of Calgary, Alberta. Midnapore has a rich history that dates back to the late 1800s when it was first established as a settlement. The community was named after the city of Midnapore in India, which was significant to Colonel James Walker, a prominent figure in Calgary's early development. Over the years, Midnapore has transformed from a rural area into a vibrant residential community while still retaining its small-town charm. The neighborhood is centered around Fish Creek Provincial Park, one of the largest urban parks in North America, providing residents with ample opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking, biking, and bird watching.
Thank you very much.
Midnapore is also home to the popular Sikome Lake, a man-made lake that offers swimming and sunbathing during the summer months. With its blend of history, natural beauty, and modern amenities, Midnapore offers a unique and welcoming environment for its residents. Calgary itself is a large city in the province of Alberta, sitting at the point where the prairies meet the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. It became a city in 1894 and grew quickly because of the railway, ranching, and the oil industry. Today, Calgary is one of Canada's major cities, known for its energy sector, clean streets, and friendly people. The city is also famous for the Calgary Stampede, a huge rodeo and festival held every summer. With a mix of modern downtown life and access to beautiful natural areas, Calgary offers the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Calgary, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.